So this thing is pretty awesome. So you can turn it fast, you can adjust the speed, and of course you can go very far with this. So you have different lights on here as well. So if you want to do it at nighttime, you could. There's a power button inside that you turn the whole motor on and off. So make sure you turn that on. But very cool. DeeRC's jet boat. It comes packaged perfectly. It comes with 2 high-power batteries. You'll need 3 AA batteries, so 3 AA batteries. You got your steering, you got demo, you got LED lights, speed switch, and your on and off button. So it even comes with its own boat display. Really cool. Take off the top panel, twist these. This gives you access to the on and off. So on and off switch. Place your battery in here. Connect your battery. You have this little gel pack in here. Most people remove it. Some people say they just keep it in here, but I would remove it, or at least put it somewhere else away from the motor. But most people will remove this, so that's what I recommend. But there's the internals. Now let's test it out. So you want to go really far, no problem. Just know your limits. You can test your limits, but make sure if you're testing the distance limit, make sure you have someone far out that can retrieve it if that's what you're doing. But again, you can adjust the trim, steering back, that way we can control this a little better. But yeah, it's a very fun RC boat. And of course, I'll show you the lights.